Alrighty, so what's up guys, welcome back to today's video. First off, hope you're all having a great day today. And we went out a couple days ago and went and bought some new cellular cameras. And right now we're about to go and set them out and see if we can try to get any new deer to come in. We're going to try some new spots and for the old cameras up. So we're going to head out there and
sure don't remember snugging it up like this. Oh, okay. I didn't see it was twisted. What a dummy.
There we go. Ant on my face.
See, this is. Oh, look at that! There we go. I like this system a lot better than the other one. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Pull her tight. Oh, look how easy that is. Oh, that's so beautiful. Okay. Look at that. Isn't that pretty?
not bad.
Isn't that pretty? I think that's a good height, or you think we need to go up a little bit?
I mean, was that where it was?
Actually, no, the other one's down here, and it was pretty good, and it could go up a little bit, so I think right there would be good. What do you think? We're going to stick with that. We'll see.
I bet all the deer are going to come up and try to mess with that.
They better not eat that.
And they're going to not be used to it. Maybe I can.
Okay, let's see. Let's get rid of the excess. We'll bring it up the tree here. Just tie it off up here, kind of out of the way. Look at that. Okay. So, what we're going to do here, this thing takes a bazillion batteries. It's got 12 batteries in it. Okay, we got it on. It's searching for, well, maybe we need to go, let's go to setup first. Let's see, it's searching for signal. Let's see what kind of signal we get here. Hopefully we get good signal.
Down up there in the stand, I got like 4 bars right up there, yeah.
Okay, 4G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 bars, 4G. We are good to go. Let's go ahead and turn this bad boy to on. Then we close her up. I heard it make a racket. It said this flashes like 5 times. Alright, let's see if it gets her picture.
Right there. Not bad, but alrighty guys, so let's head over to spot number 2 for the new cellular cameras.
Okay, I did some forestry mulch in here. Got some sticks in the way. That'll work.
That was faster than the last one.
Yeah, you could actually lock this. You could actually lock this closed if you wanted to somehow. We had, was it last year? Somebody stole the SD card, or year before?
Yeah,
Last year we had a camera set up somewhere and they just took the SD card out of the camera. Luckily they left the camera. And then the year before we had somebody take a whole camera and all. So I guess if you would lock that shut, they won't just take the SD card, they'll take the whole camera. But these bad boys here ought to get their picture before they take it.
There's no SD cards in those, right?
Oh yeah.
There is?
Yeah.
I didn't know there was, I thought there was no SD cards.
Oh, there he is. Are you videoing it or what? This is hard for me to flip this around. This up here, tie it off just to. Okay, here we go, here we go. We're gonna put it on set up, get the surface, see what kind of bars we get here. Let's see. Come on, baby. $4G, okay, yeah, boom, 4G. It's the way the light was, it was in the white. There we go, it's ready to rock. So we're gonna put it to on. We're gonna close it up. Doing 5 little clicks.
Take a little selfie.
Take a couple selfies, like.
Oh,
But
yeah.
sometimes it, I don't know. I like that. I like that.
I like how we don't have to come check it.
This one's got a lot of heat out of it. It's still about right here, but
This is where you've been sitting these past few days, or the first day.
yeah, I've only sat here once.
Where we heading next, Dad?
You tell me where we're gonna put those cameras.
Stand 7. Gonna keep them for that clearing over there with the feeder.
Well, I thought we was gonna put the one.
Oh
Like
yeah.
you said, put a feeder and then put one up by. I don't know. Let's go drive and we'll figure it out. So getting these cameras back ready to put out. Checking batteries. Putting new cards in them. This has got ants on it.
Camera.
Yeah. Oop. Come on, please, please, please. There we go. Full battery still. So we're just gonna delete the SD card. Then quit. Then we're gonna turn it off till we get to our location. Off, off. Okay. So this one's ready to go now too. Okay, here we go.
Alrighty guys, so we are at the 3rd spot now. We're just tying this guy up on this little branch. And just stand right up in that tree right there. And all of the deer that come from that way, from through here, from behind. But I guarantee from over here too. But we're just trying to get them right now just to see where they're coming from.
I need something to put behind it. That stick right there. It needs to be bigger than that.
Oh yeah, there's one of the pictures.
Look at that beautiful picture though. That's good. Takes good pictures.
Not bad.
Sweet.
Guys, we took a little break, sat inside for a little bit, and we're about to head out and go put out another feeder and a camera. See, we're putting it in a new spot that we never. Hear those crows? We never sat in this spot or even put a camera up over here, so we're gonna put some food out onto just to see if there's anything that will come in. Maybe we'll put a stand up and see if we can get anything. Alrighty, let's get some corn. Back in the hole. Alrighty guys, let's head out and go to the new spot.
Okay, so we're gonna load this feeder up. Got some corn in here. Got the weed eater so we can kind of clean up the area. Try a new area out and see. We can get some movement going on down there. See if we need to put a stand up. Stay tuned. We'll do 2 small ones. So the PM one, what do you think? So it's not too late. Let's do like 3:25. How about that?
Remember last time when we had these feeders out, we didn't put them out. We didn't have them at evening. We only fed them one time, which was in the morning. Tried to get them out to come out in more daylight.
Yeah.
Remember? But this is just to see what's out here. So yeah.
So we'll 325. Or do we just want to do one feeding? Let's just do one feeding. Let's do it at, what do we think, like 8 in the morning? I think
we used to have it at like 6:30, I thought. Yeah, 6:30.
No, let's not do that early. Let's do 7:30. We'll do one feeding and we'll make it
10 seconds.
Let's see how much comes out in 10 seconds. So let's see what time is it right now? 4:50.
Probably 50 or 43.
Hold on, let's go here. Let's look. 4:53. So we're gonna do 4:55. Let's do 10 seconds. See how much comes out right now. Okay, so it's gonna go off to 1 minute.
And he still flings it out pretty far for broken.
There we go.
Alright, well, alrighty guys, so that is going to wrap up today's video. We went out and found a new spot. We're going to try this out for a little bit, see if we can get any good deer out here. And if we would, we'll try to figure out a spot where we can put a stand for this feeder. But for right now, we just have a feeder and a camera out. And we'll come check it here in about a week and a half, week or so. But we went and changed out the cameras with our cellular cameras. And we already got a picture on it, and believe it or not, from a little squirrel. And heck, it has to be good if it'll catch squirrels on camera. But yeah, we got one picture on it. We got 2 cameras out there, and then we went and put out one other camera up here in the front of our property, just to see. There's no food out there, but we're just gonna see if anything will come by and try to get to know where the deer are coming from. But if y'all like this video, please give a big like and subscribe for more videos like this. And thank y'all for watching, and see ya!